What do you want? Go play.
Dashy.
Oh! Daddy, that was mean. Hey, roll him up a snowball. Oh, God. Roll him up a snowball and throw it at him. Hey, you have gloves on.
Hey.
Did you see that snowman? What is that, Tadashi? What is it? Let's go look. Come on. Let's go look at the snowman. Huh?
I don't know if that's food coloring or not.
It probably is. Babe. He's running. What is that, Tadashi? Babe. Oh, God. He's so cute. Go run. Oh. He's like, not that way. He's probably ready to go in soon.
Yeah.
Maybe. He's still tromping around though. Just make sure you don't hit him in the face.
Take him in.
Tadashi! True. I know. You ready to go in, puppy? Huh? We'll come back out later. Yeah? You're all like... Yeah, shake that snow off, baby. Shake it. Shake it. Let's go. Come on. He starts biting. Ooh. What is that?
What?
Oh, it's cold? Brain freeze. Doggy brain freeze.
Come on, buddy. Come
He
inside.
was trying to eat all that. He actually caught some.
You're going to need a towel or something to dry it.
Come on, Tadashi. Inside. Look at your face. Look at your face. You ready to go in? All right. Sit for mommy. Sit. Good boy. Stay. Go inside. Good boy.